He's a businessman and he parked right at the gas station, right managed the road right by Super Valley here. And gunmen came up in a car, shoot him and take him gun off him.
When you hear that, my viewers, the man them deal with a businessman away up on Maninzil Road. So welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. So my people, make you hear more of the voice note there, Plus, Malik turn picture pan button after the man them turn him in a ghost rider, and Shawn get a instant karma Westmoreland. So before me jump in a them review ya, my people, listen to the rest of the voice note ya.
He's a businessman and he parked right at the gas station, right managed the road right by Super Valley here. And gunmen came up in a car, shoot him and take him gun off him. And it's gone. Here, peer case out there. People are run all out of the ATM and all over the pump, and people are run chaos. And so the gunman just calm, just go in the car, and just search him, taking gun off him, and just jump in the car and turn on Bad Avenue.
When you hear that, my viewers, we could talk about that one, The businessman where my talk about, a 34-year-old John Lee, from Hollywood drive up in a Everdale, And my viewers, how that thing here sounds like a setup, like a program run. It look like them man here did a watch that businessman here, for a couple of days, know him ins and him out, everywhere where him go and where him stop, You know hear what the man say? The man sit down in him car a gas station and the killer just go in him car. So open the door, sit down in a car, jam him, fling 9 ball in a head and in a chest, jump out back and gone in a car. But people, this sound too easy. This sound like a movie. So as I say, I set the businessman get set up, me and tell you no more viewers. And them go splash out the businessman head and take with themselves and gone. So see them viewers, things set away boy ya. Nobody no know who could have run that program ya. Could have been owner employee them. Could have been owner linky them. Never know. Cause boy ya, no loyalty no de boy ya. When you hear that, my people. So as I say, 34-year-old John Lee, a businessman from Hollywood, drive up in a Everdale, sit down in a car and man just pull up, jump out of them car and jump in a film car and jam him and pronounce him. Some of viewers, walk with me again. See that button I wanna see on the screen. No Malik that. This are where the youth them a run down boy, Fi turn picture pan button and picture pan wall. Some of viewers, them deal with the youth here way. Till all the youth grandmother come out in the Gleaner or the Star and do a interview and I say them deal with their grandson away me I tell you no more people. The man them turn the youth in a ghost rider like Nicolas Cage. So as what me say, loyalty no in a badness. And everybody has said that youth I did love it. Run down badness. From you say badness, you call Malik name till see the normal people. Dead house though. Duff cut and medarest though. So get to youth. Me always there one on Say no loyalty no in a this. And friend always a go turn enemy and put 9 ball in a them charge them head. So see him them a people. No couple weeks now him drop. And see it there. Button settings already. Some of viewers walk with me again. Me I got Westmoreland now. Content district with the umbrella wanna see on the screen. Him name Shawn and him get a instant karma me I tell you no. After him take up himself, boy him a go wet up man in a house with him woman and burn down house. Squaddy them hold him and full him up a 9 ball me I tell you no more people and pronounce him. See it there? If him did keep him look self calm and never had a run out in a badness, probably would have still there up to today day but as me always say, you them nah live no life boy ya. Run out pan them nose for them dance and them general. And when them drop on them face, the general don't even remember them. So see me my people, get a instant karma. Boy ma make step and go burn down house. Squaddy them hold him and fling some 9 ball in him head and send him home me I tell you no. So get to youth, no hurt it in brother. You hear that? No matter how enough how no one feel like so now the wickedest thing now since sliced bread, A man did the boy where did bad and ask the community what happened to him. Look on the wall. When you think them man they are the national hero, them boy, yeah? When you think of Usain Bolt, them there, be a dead man, them there. So as when I say my people, set away, boy, yeah? And we see say the youth, them now live and learn. Them are going to repeat over the same cycle again. Some of viewers, until next time, protect all the 3 points out there. Stay safe out there. You hear that?